we'll do the 12, maybe a 13. Let's try 5.
You want the 9 as well?
Yeah,
Yes,
please. Red blend is 7 out of 10. It smells super sweet. It's very sweet. That's another 7 out of 10.
You think these two are the same?
They're the same goodness, but like in different ways. I enjoy them equally, but for different reasons. Boysenberry cider. That works. The blackberry, golden hue. Ooh, I like this one more. How is it?
It's good. It's stronger than I thought it would be.
Asleep. Here's a sizer. Half cider, half mead. This one is so good.
It's the best one.
It's the best one. That's a 10. 10 out of 10. Off to more apples. Try the Arkansas Black, please.
Definitely.
Thank you. Apples everywhere. Veggie dog. Smells so good in here. Beef and ostrich. Camel. Gator. Oh my god. I love how it says per pound. Like, how much for like a reasonable amount? Holy smokes.
So it's $10 per flight. A lot of times people will get one of each. Or you guys could get a bottle as long as you know that we're closing up.
Sure.
And then the other thing is you can get a glass of wine for $9.50 out of any of these that we're pouring.
Okay, fantastic.
Here you guys go. Now turn your menu over because it'll be your guide. That's a Spanish variety. And this is your first red, which is Syrah.
Perfect.
So you guys have at it.
All right, thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
There's a bug in here. You drink them. He's alive. He's alone by himself now.
He's alone by himself.
You gotta just get him out with your finger now.
Oh, he's still kicking. He's drunk.
He's so drunk. Ooh.
Delicious.
That's what?
I think those are the Jack Daniels truffles. This one's probably the dark chocolate with caramel. The one underneath is the pumpkin pie fudge. And I think this one is the double dipped Oreo.
Thoughts? Concerns?
I'm processing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
What's inside of this? This ball. It's bulbous.
Ooh.
Oh my god.